Hi, and welcome to the Succy project. My name is Mark, and I am a independent game developer as well as a third-year bachelor's game development student. And today here, this is a very simple thing I just want to show today. I have been setting up a character controller for a new third-person shooter that I'm working on. And well, for this is a new succubus character model created by Enhanced Studios, and the environment is just the standard fantasy forest environment from Triforge Assets. So as a base, I started with utilizing Unity's own starter asset. I mean, what better place to start so that I get the most basic movement implemented? So nothing unusual here. You can move the camera completely freely, and the character walks around, and the character can of course jump. All standard starter asset movement controls. But when things get interesting is when I go into aim mode. As you can see here, the succubus has immediately taken in a combat ready stance where she is ready to cast spells. And I have been using Unity's animation system to create animation layers so that her arms remain in a combat stance while she can still walk forward and even run forward and jump. And while in this mode, her rotation is completely locked to the aim direction. And using inverse kinematics, I can basically keep her gaze fixated on the aim point while still rotating her body to either side. Likewise, I have another animation layer for when I'm moving backwards that basically just simply reverses the transform opposite the desired movement direction so that she is always facing the target. And I have both walk back and run backwards animations, and of course jump as usual. And so at this point, what I need to implement next is the actual combat system as well as combat animations. But as you may also notice, I have also been dabbling around a bit with physics, with Magica Cloth 2. And yes, let's just leave that part at that. Yes, I'm a perv, I admit it. And I endeavor to try to keep it as robust as possible so that I can, do quick sort of movement changes like this without having any kind of snapping anomaly, that is, that she doesn't whip around. And to achieve this, I basically use the aim direction as a reference point and do a check on where I am going to move from and move to. That is, if she is rotated so that she is walking to the left here, and I then want to flip to the right suddenly, so that it rotates properly, it will check the signed angle relationship between my current forward transform and the target. So that on the way over, she will always rotate first towards the aim direction before then completing the rotation to the other side. And well, I guess that's pretty much what I have to say here on my first devblog. And it truly is my first, so you have to forgive me if I'm stuttering in a bit. I'm not used to this kind of impromptu sessions, but I hope it was interesting, and I click subscribe if you haven't and you want to follow and see where this project goes. Thanks for watching.